morning. I am so happy and honored that you invited me to speak in front of you to give my view about love. I know all of you here experience love, isn't it?
Yes.
Sometimes in our efforts to find the person we love, we fail to recognize and appreciate the people who love us. We miss out so many beautiful things, and simply because we allow ourselves to be enslaved by our own selfish concerns. Go for the man of deeds and not for the man of words, because you will find rewarding happiness not with the man you love, but with the man who loves you more. The best lovers are those who are capable of loving from a distance, far enough to allow the other person to grow, but never too far to feel the love. To let go of someone doesn't mean that you have to stop loving. It only means that you have to allow that person to grow, to find his own happiness. You may find peace in just loving someone from a distance, not expecting anything in return. We can all survive with just beautiful memories of the past, but real peace and happiness come only with open acceptance of what is reality. There comes a time in our lives when we met someone so nice and beautiful, and we just find ourselves getting attracted to that person. These feelings soon become a part of our everyday life and eventually consumes our thoughts and actions. The sad part of it is when we begin to realize that this person feels nothing more for us than just friendship. You don't have to forget someone you love. What you have to learn is to accept the reality that without being sorry for yourself. Believe me, you would be better if you would give that dedication and love to someone more deserving. Listen not only to your feelings, but to reason as well. Always remember that if you lose someone today, someone better is coming tomorrow. If you lose love, that doesn't mean that you failed in love. Let go of yesterday, and love will find its way back to you. And if it happens, pray that it may be the love that will stay and last a lifetime.